So here's little Misty.
Hey, what's up, squad fam?
You don't wake her up.
Yeah, of course.
She's sleeping.
Hardly. Welcome to the house. The Chronexia house.
We can barely see you.
It's okay. There you go.
Look at her cute little face.
Good morning.
Ah.
What's up?
We got home from the hospital.
Yep.
Here's Misty. Her cute little face.
We definitely didn't steal her. If for archive purposes, this is ours.
It is. Looks just like you. Chubby.
Yeah. Look, this is my ear that she has here.
Hello, elf ear.
Just like mine, as you can tell.
Yours more of a...
She'll grow.
Good enough.
She'll grow into it. And then she has Jess's here, there.
My ear. Which is like...
There you go.
My ear. So, we got home.
And then the rest is mine. On her face.
Rah!
Why are you asleep, baby?
Because she's a baby.
Babies are better. They're cuter when they're awake. Look at her twin chin. Double chin. Can I do the Simba thing?
Yeah, sure, go ahead. Please don't kill our baby.
No promises. I'm gonna try to not drop her as a starter.
That's gonna be one of the things, not dropping the baby. Because, you know, stairs.
Okay. Look at her dad. I can only do one end.
So yeah, that's our little cutie.
Yeah, manhandling her a little bit, but it builds character, so she's gonna be tougher. So we have a tiny crib for her here. This is gonna be where we have her downstairs. We also have an area for her. Do you want to show it to them?
Which, in her room? Yeah, sure, of course. So she should sleep here. And then we have this.
Copyright strikes.
Could we get a copyright strike over that?
Over Pachelbel's cannon?
Yeah.
I don't think so. It's supposed to be like for free grabs.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe that's a rendition by somebody else.
Yeah.
And then we got a bunch of stuff for her there.
Teddies and books and wipes and some stuff.
Yeah. We'll have her own music with blackjack and hookers.
Yeah. We got this, which I think is super cute.
The
rug. Anything with owls has my vote. And then just something comfy for us to put our feet on. And Misty's still sleeping.
Get off my lawn, you bitches!
Mommy thinks I'm advertiser friendly.
Are we though?
We're totally not.
No. What?
And
did she wake you? No, you're good. No, you're good.
do you have the hiccups?
She always has the hiccups. And thus on day 2, the Hiccups Chronicles continues. Do the thing. Do the thing. Yeah, that's the thing. She's got the hiccups. She's got the hiccups. Isn't she the most adorable thing? It's gonna be alright. We're gonna save her. Take it over from here.
She'll be fine. Hiccups.
Look at her little mugs. Look at her little mug.
And the cat's puking.
Oh, well, that's just more of us for us to clean. Hiccups.
The big yawn. Hello?
Hiccups.
Hello? How you doing, honey bun?
Do the cute stuff. Give them all the cuteness. Wow. Wow. Wow, Totem. Please don't poop on me, baby Misty. Wow. Oh, what are you?
Are you cold?
You wanna get some of the cold?
Yeah, it's all three of us. How you doing, little Misty?
Woo! She's awake.
No. For once.
Yeah, being awake is the best part of it.
Best part of her day.
Best part of a good breakfast.
For a second there, I thought you were gonna sing the Folgers theme song.
The spot of waking up is Misty in your cup. Wow!
Please don't put Misty in your cup.
Yeah, she's fine.
Little Hiccups.
Do it again. Yeah. She's good at this.
No. Told you.
No. So what are we doing today, Misty? You wanna go on a stroller? And
You wanna go on a walk with Mommy?
and then go like baby dab. Cooperate a little. Baby dab. That doesn't work.
Doesn't want to do anything. You dabbing. Yo yo yo.
Shoo. She's allergic to all your bullshit. She's allergic to haters.
Please don't hate her. She's allergic to it. She's starting to be blonde a little.
A little bit.
Like right there.
Too close, too close.
Right somewhere in there. So that's it. That's Misty awake. And my bed hair.
Yeah. Not mine. Mine's always alright.
Yo.
That camera handiwork.
Uh-huh.
So baby, you gonna go to sleep yet? It's the morning, you probably don't want to sleep again, eh?
We want you to sleep a bit because when you sleep we can do things.
It's alright. Get some of the hiccups. Wow. Let go of me. Unhand me. Thank you. Wow.
Oh.
Are you cold? You got the shivers? Angry face. Do the angry face. Yeah. There you go. She's great at this.
Uh-huh.
Woo. Enough of camera? Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching Misty Hiccups.
Bye.
Not sponsored by Tommy Teepee.
I wish though.
Would save it a lot.
Yeah.
How'd you like that, Misty? Is it good?
And you got some everywhere.
You want to get a steak instead?
No steak for you.
No steaks?
You
How
get-
about a T-bone, maybe? The chicken? Yeah.
So you can munch on that.
Like a doge. Like a dogo.
Still hungry? Got a couple milliliters left.
Are you tired? You want to go sleepy sleep?
Yeah.
Is she drunk yet?
No.
Explain to them what are you doing.
I'm trying to see if she's full. If she's full, she's gonna be like a drunk person and she's gonna be like all
Limp?
limp, yeah. But now she's sleepy.
Why does she always have the hiccups?
I don't know. She always had the hiccups when she was in my belly. Why would it change now?
I don't know. Does she know how to breathe now?
Please don't puke. Be cooperative, honey bun.
Yeah, do the WWE choke slammer 2000. All right. Stop, Mom. Just leave me alone.
I want to sleep.
Okay, sure.
I think that would be about it. That's Misty and me, Jess, by the way. Hi, I'm Jess.
Welcome to Misty Square.
Because Misty and Misty.
There's two of them. And if you multiply them... No, don't do that.
Don't do what?
Multiply them together.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Incest.
Oh. Best way to end a video.
So, see you guys next time. And, yeah. Bye.
Be there or be square. It's funny.
Because if you're not there, you're not around. You're not around.
I'm working away.
I've been through the hard times, I've been on the wrong side, I've been ashamed. So many memories, you know I'd like to change.